Before discussing how to design a simulation, I want to show you a completed simulation. In fact, the one I'll show you will be the actual simulation that we'll be building in the tutorial. It's actually a very, very simple example, and I'll go into it right now as a finished product. There are two teams. I'll join the team one. First thing we see is an external event that has occurred. It has been a storm. The teams are shown and the team members. In this simple example, it's only us as the only users in the simulation. If we click on products, we can see the product and drill, look at the chart to see detailed information. In projects, there's only one possibility, and it's a very simple one. This is because of the simplicity of the example that we're using. In reports, there's quite a number of reports. Some of them just financial information, some sales information. And then on the trophy, you can see the high-level information about the simulation. I'll also show you a simulation that's running currently with 200 students to see a more detailed example. I'm actually a member of 3 different worlds for this one, so I'll choose one world and go in and have a look. This one has videos used for the news, and this displays any sort of external shocks to the simulation. Underneath you can see a lot more students involved, and they can see each other, who's on their team and who's on the other teams. The numbers here indicate how many updates they have, so it looks like quite a bit of things to look at in each tab. And the pop-up explains what's inside and how to use the interface. These products are a bit more detailed, and clicking on the chart gives some more detailed information. You can see 5 teams involved here, and these are the market shares. They have more products, more projects available for them to decide on, and there's a lot more detail on each of them. There's plenty of reports for them, and in this one the information is a bit more interesting with more products and more businesses. All of the historic products are also available. This calendar doesn't show the real life date, it shows the fictional date of the simulation. And the teacher can set the time to run much more rapidly than real time, so it could be 3 months in just 1 week or something like that. This tells them how much time they've got until they need to make certain decisions. In this case, you can see that this is the initialization of the simulation. So that's the backstory, and it's popular to have every team doing exactly the same thing on there for a competitive comparison, so they all started at the same place. But here you can see that the simulation has just started and the teams have diverged in their decision making. Clicking on these numbers gives different information in the chart.